Hey, are you staring down an empty nest these days? Are you stuck with some extra space you just don't need? Perhaps the time you get back to yourself, right? You don't want to use that time maintaining your yard or clearing snow.
Oh, you said the four-letter word.
Yeah, I know.
Downsizing into a condo is actually upsizing in life. In today's Trusted Advisor segment, Eastbrook Homes shows and tells us why so many are opting for condo living. Walk-in closets, floor-to-ceiling showers, top-notch amenities and accessories. Yes, my friends, this is the lifestyle of downsizing. In today's Trusted Advisor segment, we're going to talk to our friends at Eastbrook Homes.
In this market, a lot of people are making different transitions, and one of them is downsizing. A lot of people are starting to look for condominiums in West Michigan. The convenience of that is low maintenance, smaller square footage, and everything is taken care of you. So it is a lifestyle where you can travel and enjoy the outdoors more often. If a family has moved out of town, if you're relocating for any particular reason, condominiums are not compact anymore. So you are getting an open floor plan that's very, very spacious, and you really don't have to purge a lot, but oftentimes people have a lot of empty rooms without company visiting. We're currently in our Channing floor plan, which is offering 1,300 square feet. It can be a 2 or 4 bedroom home. First, I would talk to your financial advisor. Sometimes it does make sense for you to sell. Oftentimes, people are trying to decide location where they want to be, the amenities that they want to have available for them. Some are on golf courses. Others offer a clubhouse to entertain those that come in. You're able to control what goes on inside the walls with a condominium lifestyle. You own studs in. So the association sometimes will not allow for a third stall or sheds. But you can pick out your flooring, lighting, countertops, everything. We are a semi-custom builder, but as you go through all of our communities, it has to do more with location and what drives you as far as the amenities. Do you have a second home? Are you planning on living here full time? What are some of the square footage needs that you have? Do you have family that's going to come and stay with you for a long period of time? Oftentimes people have multiple homes, but we are seeing people that live in them year-round and just not wanting to do all the yard maintenance and have the snow removal. Yeah, I'm excited to be traveling and not being committed to just staying at home and doing all the maintenance that goes on. So the exterior of my home will be taken care of, and I love that. So I want to go play and hang out with my friends as well. It doesn't matter what age you are, but traveling is definitely where my heart is. We are having first-time home buyers to empty nesters moving into our condominiums. So as they're coming from an apartment lifestyle, they want their independence and not a shared wall all the time. So we do have detached condominiums that are available, but we have families, we have empty nesters, we have multiple generations living under the same roof in some of our communities. So condos are not compact and they are not bad. It's amazing the sense of community that when you are in a condominium community, that in our developments, we mix them in with single family homes. So we do not specialize in retirement village. Everybody thinks condominiums are when you're ready to retire. I am moving into a condominium. I am not ready to retire. So I am ready to increase my travel and spend times with family and friends. To have a low maintenance lifestyle, it means you are not pulling weeds, shoveling your driveway or your front entry. It means that you can just come and go as you please. Everything in the community where you live is going to be uniform, so the general public does not know if you're home or if you're out traveling. It's one of the things that attracts many of our homeowners as they are making the change from acreage to condominium lifestyle.
If you want to learn more about Eastbrook Homes and their communities, pretty simple. Go to eastbrookhomes.com.